So I showed y'all when they first pulled up with it, it was at night. So I want to give y'all a little closer look in the day, a little more in-depth look. I feel free when I'm in my zone. I feel free when I'm riding alone. So I ride. What's going on, y'all? It's your man Sunday. Been a minute since I locked in with y'all. So first and foremost, if you still rocking with the best, I appreciate you more than you know. Please hit the like button, comment, all that good stuff, man. Tap in with me. It's been a minute, so feel good to touch base with y'all. But as a lot of you know, the people who follow me on Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so. I'm gonna drop it right here. But a lot of the people who follow me on Instagram know, yeah, I went on and sold the Cadillac, man. What? I sold blessings. A lot of people been hitting me up asking, hey man, where you been? Like, hey, when you gonna shoot another video? When you gonna do this? When you gonna do that? You know, truth of the matter is, man, you know, I had a whole lot going on in terms of just life in general. I'm an involved father and husband and family man, so that's gonna take me away from being able to do this stuff sometime. Then furthermore, when I sold the car, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little depressed. I'm not saying I'm regretful, because what I'm about to share with y'all now, you know, kind of makes up for it. But you do get to a point where it's kind of like, damn, did I make the right decision? Did I do the right thing? You know, that was a clean car. A lot of y'all seen my whole journey with it, my progress with it, and that was a clean car. I was really, really proud of that car. I thought I wouldn't feel what I felt when I let it go, but I did. It's all good, because one thing y'all know, I'm always a fan of the bounce back. So I want to go ahead on and share with y'all what I got going. Without further ado, present to you the next project. Haven't named her yet, but it's coming. Check it out. So, y'all gotta excuse me, man. It's cooking outside. I'm trying to bring you this content. It's hot as hell, man. I ain't gonna even lie to you. So I showed y'all when they first pulled up with it, it was at night, right? So I want to give y'all a little closer look in the day, a little more in-depth look. So got some stuff going on here. I'm saying, so we're gonna need some body work. All right, got a little bit of rust right here that got to get addressed, right? Other than that though, it's a pretty solid car. Get y'all look inside. Yep, that's her. Boom. Yep. So, and the good thing is, this is what I was looking for. Looking in here, look at that. Floors. Cool. Back seat. So, yeah, we solid car. Good bones. Got this is an AC dash right here. If you see, it got the vents in it right there. So my goal is to make this a AC car, right? We're gonna have AC blowing in that thing, because as you see, it get pretty hot out here. Thank y'all for tapping in, supporting me all the way through the journey, supporting me through my times when I'm down, when I'm not, you know, up for this, and you know, y'all still around. Thank you. Truly appreciate y'all. I will be bringing y'all more consistent content going forward. please, 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 man, just stay positive. If you are, you know, building something right now, if you're trying to put together a car right now, man, stay positive, stay patient, and you know, do your due diligence, man. Everything is gonna work out exactly the way it's supposed to, according to the Most High, man. So new stuff coming. I got new music coming. Obviously new videos coming, and you know, most importantly, got a new build coming. So do me a favor, hit that like button, hit the comment button, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and you will be notified whenever I drop new content, new video, or new music. So thank y'all again. Much love. Sundayz Bezt signing out. Big Domingo, aka Mr. You Already Know. Yeah.
Feel free when I'm in my zone. I feel free when I'm riding alone. So I ride.